Can you guess what's coming up on the channel today? Homemade Scotch Baps and recipes from the 1940s. Put our bowl in, add in our flour, malt, salt, sugar, lard. We're going to just mix this round like this, just to stir all the ingredients in. Now you want to be mixing this on first speed for 1 minute. Right, we're going to knock it straight up onto third speed. You want to be mixing this for around about 10 minutes and halfway through, scrape the bowl down. And that's it. All we're going to do now, let that sit there for around about 1 hour. So gently take it out of the bowl. So all we need to be doing with this is scaling off 3 ounces, scale them off at 6, and then all we'll do is split them. And all we need to be doing is moulding these round. Just push it down with that part on the top. Helps them go out a bit, and then we'll roll them out onto the trays. It wants to be 3 inches by 2 inches. As long as they're longer than the width, like this, just roll them straight out like that. And you place them on the tray next to one another like that and just pull them out a little bit. All right. But we're going to be moving them into a prover. It's 25 to 30 Celsius. Our Scotch Baps are ready. Our oven temperature is actually 240 Celsius. Now we're going to be baking them in the oven until they're hard on the top, all right? And if you're liking this type of content, please subscribe. And this is our first tray of Scotch Baps. Completely different to what I expected, to be honest.